I'm skeptical. The long would be down here, like right here. This would be the spot for the long. Right here. And no, it would not have stopped me out. It looks like that would have been the correct trade. Amazon already 20, 30 cents higher. Wild market. Wild. What did Apple do? Back down in. What did AMD do? Still in no man's land. Amazon. Coin. Microsoft comes back in. Google. And Amazon back down to the 90s. And here comes Tesla. I wonder if this Tesla is worth a shot here at 43 to the short side. Amazon failed and came back down in, so that wouldn't have worked. Tesla looks like it could be a long here, actually. Try to squeeze up. I wonder if this 42 on the long side against like 70 cents, 60, 70 cents could be a possibility to the long side, just if it jams. I'm going to try that. Got it there, long 95 cents, looking for a jam up above the hole. This is going to be just a scalp. Looking for a very quick jam up through 42 and even higher, as I think that a lot of people are leaning short, and this could really just rip like that. Yep. Can we get a little more out of it? We got up to 30s. I didn't take anything off up there. Down to the 80s, might get stopped here. Yep. Did not get stopped, but very close to getting stopped. I thought that that had a chance to go really rip, but it looks like I'm going to get stopped down here at 69 cents. Unless it decides to hold at 70 cents and rip higher. I thought this had a chance to get up above 43. Here we go. Can it get above those 30s? There's a 30s. It got rejected there again. Can we gain a 30 bid? Trying. There's Google on highs. Can this thing go? 30-cent bid. Nope. Failed again. $0.30 bid. Failed again. I'm going to take one off. What did I get? 8 cents? Google's on highs. I have one left. Gonna put a Hail Mary up there, but this might come in. Gonna put a Hail Mary up here, just in case. And I'm gonna put a hard stop in as well at 68 cents. And that's going to hit right here. Okay, so that stopped out. That's fine. And Tesla dumps, so that was the short. Let's see if that holds up. And what did Amazon do? Amazon actually recovered from there. Curious to see if Tesla recovers from here, but not trying to trade Tesla today. I just thought it had a chance to really jam. That didn't pan out, so there's Tesla on lows. So the short would have worked. Shorting there would have worked. And let's look, Amazon working, AMD in no man's land, Apple no man's land, Amazon returning to highs, Coin, what did Coin do? No man's land, Microsoft on highs, and Google also 140 high day. Yeah, that Amazon was pretty good. Very nice, Amazon. It looks like the strength is there. Microsoft, Google on highs, Amazon on highs, Tesla on lows. Interesting. There's Tesla, new lows. Tesla going to 240. Tesla making new lows. Those 241.60s against 240.230 might be a spot to get involved on the short side. And Tesla 241.60s, it's 242.40s. If we get back up there, AMD starting to come in. Amazon, for some reason, has its high day ticker stuck. Here is Tesla into 41. I am up at 50 cents. Can it pop up there? Did not get up there. There's 41. There's the 30s, the 40s. I am up at 50 cents. Did not get up there. Did not get up there. Getting close here. Getting very close here. Did not get it. And it sucks right back in 50 cents. Look at that. So I missed it by... It got up to 45 cents. I was at 55. Give it one more shot to get me, but I think I missed it. That was the trade I wanted right there. There's a point, and Tesla down to lows. That was the spot that I was looking for. Let's see if we get it here on this retest. up at 55 cents. Amazon back up to highs. Got up to 47 something cents and did not go. Microsoft highs, Amazon highs. Tesla can knock it up. Amazon almost back to highs here. And Tesla got up to 47 that second time and then came back in. And again, 50, 60, 70 cents in the money. So I missed it twice. Microsoft new highs. 374 high day. Microsoft going. Microsoft going. What's AMD doing? Starting to make its way lower. And Tesla I did not get. Apple. And there goes Tesla. Down to lows. That was the right idea. Just the execution wasn't there. Right idea, but not the right execution. Pennies away from getting the fill. Ten minutes to 10. Baba on highs. AMD starting to head down. Need to keep track of this AMD very carefully. Gonna pull this Tesla. I'm not gonna take that short anymore. I think I missed it. This AMD looks very heavy. AMD. Tesla looks heavy too. There's AMD back down to pre-market low. ES back up into pre-market range. Watching AMD carefully here. What did coin do? Still moving up. Amazon. Apple. AMD. Big orders coming across in Tesla. Still waiting. AMD squeezing at pre-market lows. If this makes a new low, then that'll be our next spot on the trend line, downtrend line, I mean. Likewise with Tesla. $240 90s against $240 130. If it cracks lows on Tesla and AMD, still going. I wonder if this 36 against 36.30. There goes Tesla. Tesla lows. AMD I'm offering out up here, but might not get it. There goes Tesla lows. 239 low a day. I already have 239. Can I get filled on AMD? Up in the 90s. Here's the 80s. Here's the 90s. I'm up here. 96. I'm at 96. Got it. Short AMD. Average price 96 cents. Stop is above 30. Let me move AMD over here so I can really just focus on that. We are looking for new lows. We are looking for below 50 cents. So let's see what that looks like first. First step is to get some off at lows. Coins on highs. Let me move Tesla over here because Tesla just dumped. Yeah, Tesla, the short on Tesla was there. Let's see if the AMD follows suit. AMD dropping out. 70s. Tesla's going. I wonder if I could get 3520s out of this AMD first. It's down to the 60s. Let's see if we can get around here first. Here's low a day on AMD. Let's see what happens. Can we crack lows hard? Here's low a day. I'm going to take 1/4 off right there at lows. Did not crack the low a day there, but I'm leaving some on. Let's see if we crack. There's the 40s. Can we get down to the 30s? There's the 40s. Can we get down to the 30s? What am I down at? 31 cents. There's Tesla down to lows. Here comes AMD down into 30s. I'm at 31 cents. I did not get it. Did not get it. Let's see if I can get it on this pass. 31 cents. I'm going to move up to 35. Did not get it. Let's see if I can get it on another pass. No. Did not. So I got to be cautious here. Need to be very cautious here as this AMD is forming kind of a double here, double bottom. Tesla went through, so 238 next low a day on Tesla. And then let's look at this AMD. Can this get back down and have some follow through? I'm kind of concerned that it did not get down. Let me delete all these. And where is the danger zone for this thing? It's kind of like right here, isn't it? Gonna set my original stop. And I'm gonna try to cover one down in the 20s for the next spot. Can this get back down? AMD. Back up to the 70s. Tesla, really nice move down, and AMD just popping straight back up to the 80s here. I might try to get my 96 back. I have it up at 98. Move it back down to 96. I did not get it. So trying to put that lot back on that I took off up there. There's Tesla. Let's see, what is Apple doing? No man's land, Amazon hovering, coin hovering. We have economic jobs numbers in 10 seconds. There's the jobs number. Here's the 60s. Kind of want to keep Tesla here. I got the 96s, so I have that, but now we're flying up against this. Hopefully, nope, we're just running straight back up. I mean, this is the danger of trading through a jobs number. Looking for this to come back in. I might cover that extra lot that I put on if we get dropped down to the 70s or 60s. In fact, I'll just put a 71 down there just in case we quickly drop out to 71. I can cover that risk and just make the cash flow on that piece, on that quarter position. '80s. Tesla got down to the, okay, here is AMD back down at 7. Oh gosh, it got a penny away and did not fill me down there. Wow. It got 1 penny away and did not fill me on that extra lot that I had. Here it is again. Did not get it filled again. Maybe I need to be more cautious here. Got it there. Go through the 60s. Here we go. 50s. AMD. Can we get down to the 40s? Here's the 40s. Can we get down further? I'm going to be cautious, and yeah, we rejected those 40s really hard. I think I'm going to take some off in the 50s here. Took one off down there in the low 50s. I got half the position left. I'm looking for a further breakdown, but we're just not getting it. So I'm going to cancel those stops. And I am tightening my stop here at this point. Looking for a dropout. We're just not getting it. Tesla's on its reverse course going back up higher. AMD looks like it wants lower, but maybe not. Or maybe I'm just trading in thrash. Just not coming down, but it is starting to violate this downtrend. So I am being more cautious. I'd like to see it hold below 70 cents pretty soon here. I'd like to see a 70-cent offer come down and hold. We had a slew of 10 a.m. numbers there. And we're not really getting down, are we? Can we hold below 70 cents? No. No, we cannot. And ES ripping to the upside. Tesla trying to get up. And AMD above the hull, and I'm going to take a stop here. I have a stop at 13 cents. I'm just not willing to sit through a large retrace here. So if we do not start moving lower right away, I'll be out. There's 13. I'm out. Flat. Flat. I got 16 cents, and we're in the 20s, and we're in the 30s, and this thing is no longer a short. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. We're going to switch out to a 5-minute. It's just, I mean, that's up at 50 cents. That's just ugly. So the short was starting to set up. It didn't happen. You have to respect that and get out. I think I did a good job of putting the extra lot on and taking it off there. Look at this squeeze that's happening here in AMD. Oh my goodness. What a squeeze. Wow. I'm going to switch this chart out to a 15-minute footprint and delete all these drawings. What a squeeze on AMD. Wow. And Tesla remains weak. Wow, what a squeeze. Okay, I think after all that, I don't think I really accomplished much. I think I'm probably scratched for the day, but Tesla continues to lows. Wow. Apple, no man's land. Amazon, holding up. Coin holding up. Microsoft, well, it was holding up, not anymore. Google. Yeah. There's Tesla pennies off of lows. Okay, I'm gonna cut the film here. And here we are a few minutes later, 10:10, and look at the move and Tesla going to lows here. Tesla really heavy. Look at the move here, put it on this AMD as it shook everyone out and then right back down. I would not have survived that shakeout, but look at that shakeout move. Holy cow. And Tesla looks in trouble. This AMD is not moving lower. Just getting stuck here at this spot, isn't it? I really want to see it progress to new lows, down, at least down to the 3520s before I try to participate again. Tesla just really weak, 4.5% down. Wow. And AMD. Wow. Well, we'll see if it sets up again for me. Can't really chase it down here. That's unfortunate. Look at that. Down to the 20s, teens. That was just a huge shakeout move. Wow. I'm going to set a marker there. What a shakeout move. It's really well done by the seller. And that was kind of where my target was. I'm wondering if this 35.50 tight against like 35.80 is a spot, because I think this thing is going down 35.50 against 35.80s. Let's see if we can get any up there. So I think this AMD is heading to lows. Tesla. Can this AMD get up? Gonna go down to 41. AMD. Wow. I think I might need to be a little bit more aggressive on this side of, let me move it down just a little bit more to the 30s. Tesla lows. 236 low a day. And I'm not sure if I'll get these AMDs. What does a 5-minute show? Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll get those AMDs. Here's 35. Tesla continues to sell off. Apple starting to sell off too. Apple on the daily is in trouble. Amazon selling off. Coin selling off. Coin's another one. Tesla. My goodness. Here's AMD into the 90s. It did not get up. It did not get up. And I don't think the seller is going to let it come back up here before they finish their order. I think they're going to drive to lows right here. We're 4 cents off of lows. And ES is on lows, and I think I just missed it. What a shakeout move. My goodness. Again, seller did a good job. This institutional seller did a really good job of driving all the weak shorts out, myself included right there, and then just absolutely stuffing. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this up at 35s. There's lows on AMD. Wow. So I'm up at 34 cents trying to get some AMD. But I don't know if we're going to get that. AMD on lows. AMD just hovering here at lows. There's new lows, AMD. And I am more like right there. No. How do I get into this AMD short? How do I get in? Do I need to go down to 14 cents? Against 30 cents? Do I need to be more aggressive like that? I wonder. 14 cents against 40 cents. Let's try that. Let's see if we can get those. Can we get a trip back up to the hole? Tesla. Hard pop. I feel like it's just AMD that I need to focus on here. AMD new lows. Trying to find a way in. Pretty steep sell-off there. And new lows, AMD, wow. Very steep. And AMD just not coming back. It's heavy, but I cannot chase it down here. I need to wait for some kind of pop. But right now it looks like it got away from me, yeah. Where can I get into this AMD? In the 80s? Does it need to be like 85 cents against the whole? I guess let's try. Because we're just not getting up. Need to find a way into AMD. Also running against time because I do have to leave soon. There's AMD on lows. There's that seller finishing off. Did not find a way in. And there you go. Still trying to get in the 80s, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Getting very close here, 70s. I am at 85 and got up to 82 and did not fill me. Here I am, 2 cents away, did not get a fill, got it there short AMD at 85. As it blasts up above, stops very tight up here. So looking for this to fade back very quickly. And then what I can do is use this as the next down. Like that, possibly. Probably not like that, actually. Okay, here we are coming in. I want to see us come back down to the 40s. I'm probably going to have to scalp this out just because I do not have the time to sit through this. So let's see what we get. Kind of pepper some covers just throughout here. There's got one off there at 50 cents. Here comes, it did not get much down below 59 cents there, did it? I might have to play this safe because I'm just running out of time. Popping here. I want to reduce this risk. I want to see this start heading down and holding below 60, but I'm not seeing that here. Can we hold below 60 cents? Or is this move done? There's 80 cents. There's 60 cents again. It's kind of our area of don't mess with it. Need to see it hold below 60 cents. Back up to the 80 is not what I was looking for. Yeah, it really needs to stay down below 90 cents here. And it's just not. It's not getting down. I'm concerned here. I'm concerned about it. I'm about to get jammed. I feel like I'm about to get jammed right here. I might have to cut this. Let me at least adjust the stop so it's the correct one at 7 cents. I haven't changed anything, but let me at least adjust it so it's proper. There's the 60s again. Here's the 50s. There's the 40s, got filled on one there, heading down to lows, down to the 30s, did not get down into the 20s there. Can we head lower? There's the 20s. I'm going to put one down at the hole, just in case, down near low a day. And then I'll put one down below the hole in case we get a big flush. So here comes the 20s. Can we hold down? 20s. Can we get that second leg down? '20s getting hit, but not really collapsing there in the 20s. Let's go ahead and take one off there in the 30s. Canceling the other stops. there's the 20s. Can we get down to that hole? Where is our... So we have this little downtrend here that's forming now. Looking very nice, just zooming in here. And I wonder if this thing can go below the hole as we come into the low. Wonder if I should cancel that 9 cent. I'm canceling it and I'm putting it down in the 80s just in case. Here's the 15. I'm going to watch the tape here as we come in. So I moved it down to the 80s. Here comes 11 cents. There's 10 cents, 9 cents. So I would have gotten probably a fill right there. But here, okay, so I would have gotten it there for sure. Can it drop the hole? Here comes the hole. And a lot of volume at 4 and 5 cents. Did not really drop 4 cents though, did it? Look at that 4 cent. Wow. I'm going to kill it there. That's it. I took it right there. Flat AMD. And that's it.